Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are doing a Burger King eating show. I have their 10-piece spicy chicken nuggets, which look like these, and they're not actually spicy for me. And then we have a Whopper with cheese, and a Whopper contains lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, pickles, onion, mustard, ketchup, and mayo. Okay, then we have some French fries. I have some ranch to dip the chicken nuggets in. Let's just get a couple of these out. And then I love eating Whoppers with pickled jalapeno, which they're kind of, it's spicy. It's not like pickles, but it's pickled. I don't know how you would say that in English. But yep. And then to drink, I got a drink. Like so good. I'm not a big fan of tomatoes at times. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not. We'll see how this goes. But first bite. Not too big of a kick. Not a fan of the ranch. It tastes weird. But I want to know if there's anyone out there that has never tried a Whopper. Let me know in the comments below, or let me know what is your favorite food item from Burger King. I've only tried spicy chicken sandwiches, Whopper, Impossible Whopper. And as far as breakfast items, they're croissant sandwiches and French toast sticks. And that's it. And their French fries, of course. And hash browns, but other than that, no. That's all I've tried. I'm actually very happy that Burger King hasn't changed their menu as much as McDonald's has. Has anyone noticed that since they changed their look to be more modern, which I feel it just looks more depressing, since they changed their look, they took a lot of items off of their menu, like salads. Well, here in Wisconsin, you can't get salads from McDonald's. You can't get any kind of steak, bagel, sandwich. They discontinued that. They discontinued grilled chicken. They discontinued, what else did they do? I forgot what else they had discontinued. But there's literally like 5 items in for breakfast and then like 5 for the afternoon, like lunchtime. And I really loved the steak bagels. They were my favorite. I think that's why I lost so much weight. Oh, I didn't like the ranch. Sorry. These actually left the menu for some time. The spicy chicken nuggets. But came back by popular demand. Compared these to the Wendy's. I prefer Wendy's. I don't know what they do to their mayo and their ketchup. Probably douse it in sugar. It's so good. I'm in Burger King heaven. So it's actually very hot out today. So sorry if you can hear my air. But then it would get too hot for me with this lighting and I'm getting full. Ugh. Is it possible for your stomach to shrink if you're not overeating like you used to? It's a good thing to research. Because I feel like my stomach shrank. Oh, hi puppy. Hi puppy. Get down. Get down. Get down. No. Do you guys want to see my pup? Let me just move this. She's very heavy. I have a pit bull, red-nosed pit bull. Oh. Say hi, Mama. No, we don't eat cheeseburgers. But she's only 5 months, guys. She's my baby. She's the source to my toddler's aggravation. He's not a toddler anymore. He's the source to my child's aggravation. This morning they were actually arguing because she had used the restroom. And he's like, "Oh my God, Chula, why are you always pooping? Gosh, I'm tired of it." I was like, "Oh, what?" I was like, "Mike, you have to relax." He's very expressive. And I just want to put a disclaimer out there for the times that I don't finish my meals. I do have a boyfriend. He usually always eats it. Or, especially this far along in my pregnancy, I can't eat too much too fast. Or I have to eat little bits constantly. So my food always, I don't like to waste food. So if it's not me eating it, it's my it's my child, or it's my boyfriend. So just in case. Mamas, no. Or this puppy's about to eat it. No. We don't bake for food and we don't eat human food. Or we don't eat humans. Gross. Alright guys, I'm sorry for the short video, but I'm full. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.